Hi again. In this video, I'm going to talk about Boolean operators. The name sounds complicated, Boolean operators, but it's really very simple. All that it is, it's just the three words of and, or, and not. We use these three words to give us two values, to get two values, true and false. This still might sound complicated, but if I give you an example from our everyday lives where we use these Boolean operators, you will understand much better. Let's say it's your mom's birthday and you want to go to the store and buy her a present. Now we know that your mom likes the color black and she likes stripes, so you want to buy her a scarf that's black and has stripes. You go to a store and you see a scarf that is black, so it's true. But the scarf is not striped, it's dotted, so it's false. The striped part is false, true and false. This would mean that we wouldn't buy the scarf because true and false would give us false. That's just a rule. Now, if we go to another store and we see a scarf that's black and is striped, so it's true and true, that would give us true. So in the case of and, if we have true and true, we get a true. If we have a true and false, we get a false. And with the same logic, if we got a false and a false, we get a false. Now, let's say you want to buy your mom a scarf that is either black or striped. So it's one of the things that she wants. We see this first scarf, right? Remember, it was black and it wasn't striped, so it was true or true and false. But when we put the word or in it, meaning that it needs to be either black or striped, and one of the standards is there, so that means we get a true because it's black or striped. So in this case, we understand that if we have a true or false, we get a true. If you have a true or true, of course we get a true. And with the same logic, if you have a false or false, we get a false because it doesn't suffice any of our requirements. Now the third Boolean operator, which is not, is very easy. Let's say we go to the store, we just want something that is not dotted. Our mom hates dotted stuff. So we go and see the scarf. If it's dotted, we don't buy it. If it's not dotted, we buy it. The true is not dotted. Not dotted, we get true, we buy it. Then dotted is false. If it's false, we don't buy it. It's false. Something similar like this happens in JavaScript. We use Boolean operators in JavaScript, but instead of writing and or not, we have symbols. The and symbol is this, the or symbol is this, and the not symbol is the exclamation point like this. How do you use this in JavaScript? Let's say we want to write something that's conditional. We use Boolean operators. If black and striped, console.log by, which means we execute by. When we say if black or striped, console.log by. So if black or striped is true, meaning that one of them is there, we buy it. The case of not is just something that gives us the opposite of something. So if it's not striped, don't buy. If it is striped, buy. Just that simple. That was Boolean operators in real life and in programming, specifically JavaScript. Thanks for watching, I guess. Bye.